About 1.6 million tons of avocado peels are thrown out daily, and this contributes heavily to the food waste issue in the world. Dietitians believe that avocado peels are rich in antioxidants like phenols, flavonoids, and carotenoids, and phenols are highly beneficial to the body with benefits that include anti-cancer properties, and they also strengthen the immune system. Hi, my name is Juliet Nnadi, and my topic is on the comparative analysis of the phenolic content and antioxidant activities in organically and conventionally grown Hass avocado peels. And I hypothesize that my organically grown avocados will have a higher phenolic content when compared to the avocados that were grown the conventional way. And because this organically grown avocados would have a higher phenolic content, they would also show a higher antioxidant activity than the conventionally grown ones. And to test this hypothesis, I had 3 goals. The first one was to use ultrasonification to extract the phenols from the avocado peels. Then I would go ahead and use the FNC assay to quantify the phenolic content in both groups. And then I would use the DPPH assay to also quantify their antioxidant activity. And then I would also identify the phenols by using a UPLC machine to identify the phenols contained in both groups. So I have my methods down here in a pictorial form. First of all, I got the avocados and I separated the peels from the pulp and the seed. I washed and freeze dried. Then I went ahead to extract the phenols from the avocado peels. Mind you, this extraction was done in triplicate. When I got my extract, I went ahead to calculate the total phenolic content using FNC assay, and then also to check the antioxidant activity using DPPH assay. Then I loaded it into the UPLC as well to identify the phenols. In the middle of the poster, I have my results. So in my FNC assay, it showed that there was a significant difference in the phenolic content of both groups. It showed that the avocados that were grown conventionally had a higher phenolic content compared to the ones that were grown organically. Moving on to the DPPH assay. The DPPH assay showed no significant difference in the antioxidant activity of both groups. The UPLC, however, identified the same phenols in both groups, but in the conventionally grown avocado, it showed 30 more peaks than the organic avocado showed, which made me to come to this conclusion. So my hypothesis wasn't proved right because I got opposite result than I was expecting. I expected that my organically grown avocado would have a higher phenolic content than my conventionally grown one, but that wasn't the case. The FNC revealed that my conventionally grown avocados actually have a higher phenolic content than my organic avocados. Okay, I mean, that's fine. But then the DPPH assay showed that the antioxidant activities of both groups are not different. There's no significant difference in it at all. So my hypothesis was proved wrong, but I came to a conclusion that a paper that I read revealed that the FNC assay is actually non-specific. So it picks up the phenols, but it also picks up other antioxidant compounds in the thing. So I've decided that in the future, if this experiment were to be carried out again, I'd recommend using the FRAP assay, because a study was carried out and it showed that the FRAP assay actually works really well with the DPPH assay. So maybe using a FRAP assay would be able to, maybe the FRAP assay would correctly pick up how much phenols are actually contained in these two groups, so we can now move ahead and find out the antioxidant activities properly. The whole purpose of this experiment was to show that avocado peels are also as important as the pulp, and we have now seen that they contain phenols, and phenols are really good for our bodies. So pharmacies or the beauty industry can actually use these results or find a way to repurpose these avocado peels for our benefits. Thank you so much. Bye.